We live in a world increasingly driven by algorithms. From the recommendations you see online to the cars we drive, artificial intelligence is rapidly shaping our reality. And while AI offers us a universe of possibilities, it also raises a fundamental question about the future. What happens to our jobs when machines can do them for us? Will robots steal our livelihoods, leaving us adrift in a sea of automation? Or will AI unlock a new era of opportunity with humans and machines working together to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges? In this episode of RKS Chronicles, we're diving headfirst into the evolving relationship between humans and AI. Buckle up as we explore how artificial intelligence will reshape the future of work. Look, the fear that machines will replace human workers is as old as technology itself. We've been through this before. When the printing press arrived, scribes worried about their jobs. When the Industrial Revolution hit, artisans felt the pressure. And let's be real, every time we've faced a technological leap, there have been growing pains. But here's the thing, throughout history, those leaps haven't just replaced jobs. They've redefined entire industries and created entirely new ones. The real question isn't whether AI will replace some jobs, it's how will we adapt and what new opportunities will emerge as this technology becomes even more powerful. Think about it. Just a few decades ago, nobody could have imagined a world with social media managers, app developers, or drone pilots. These jobs didn't exist. But then the internet happened, and suddenly we had a whole new universe of career paths. AI is no different. It's not just about robots on assembly lines anymore. We're talking about AI impacting healthcare, finance, education, even the arts. This isn't science fiction, folks. It's happening right now. So the question is, are we ready to embrace the change and ride the wave of innovation, or are we going to get left behind? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Or maybe I should say, the robot in the factory. Yes, some jobs are indeed more vulnerable than others. Think about tasks that are repetitive, predictable, things that don't require a lot of creativity or human judgment. Those are ripe for automation. Take manufacturing, for example. Robots are already assembling cars, electronics, even personalized gadgets, and they're doing it faster and more efficiently than humans ever could. And it's not just blue-collar jobs either. In finance, algorithms are making lightning-fast trades, analyzing market trends, and even managing portfolios. Even in medicine, AI is being used to diagnose diseases and assist with surgeries. But here's the crucial point. Just because a job can be automated doesn't necessarily mean it will be. There are costs involved, ethical considerations, and let's not forget the human element. People still crave connection, empathy, and understanding, things that even the most advanced AI can't replicate. So, yes, the job landscape is shifting, but it's not the apocalypse some are predicting. It's an evolution. Okay, so we've talked about the jobs that might be at risk, but what about the jobs that AI will create? Because here's the exciting part. We're on the cusp of a whole new era of work, one where humans and AI collaborate to achieve things we never thought possible. Think about it. Someone needs to design, build, program, and maintain all those AI systems, right? That's where the jobs of the future come in. We're talking about roles like machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI ethicists, and even human AI interaction designers. These are the pioneers who will shape how we interact with this technology, ensuring that it's used ethically and responsibly. And it's not just about the tech itself. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we're going to need people who can bridge the gap between humans and machines. We'll need translators, educators, trainers, and even philosophers who can help us understand the implications of this technology on our society. The possibilities are truly limitless. Let me be clear, the future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together, each playing to their strengths. Think of it as a cosmic partnership where AI takes care of the tedious, repetitive tasks, freeing us humans to focus on what we do best: creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, and building meaningful connections. Imagine a world where doctors use AI to diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, giving them more time to focus on patient care and developing innovative treatments. Imagine architects using AI to design sustainable cities, or teachers using AI to personalize education for every student. This isn't just wishful thinking, people. It's the power of human-AI collaboration. The key is to view AI not as a threat, but as a tool, a powerful instrument that can amplify our abilities and help us reach new heights of achievement. Just as a telescope extends our vision to the farthest reaches of the cosmos, AI can extend our minds, helping us to solve complex problems and create a better future. Now, you might be wondering, Neil, that all sounds great, but how do I stay ahead of the curve? What skills do I need to thrive in this brave new world? Well, here's the good news. The skills that will be most valuable in the age of AI are the very things that make us human. We're talking about critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and a thirst for knowledge. These are the skills that machines can't replicate, the qualities that will set us apart in a world increasingly driven by algorithms. Don't be afraid to embrace lifelong learning. The more you understand about AI, the better equipped you'll be to leverage its power and navigate the changing job market. Take online courses, attend workshops, read books, and never stop asking questions. Remember, the only constant is change, and those who embrace it will be the ones who shape the future. Fast forward to the year 2030. What will our workplaces look like? Well, picture this. You walk into your office and an AI assistant greets you by name, having already brewed your coffee just the way you like it. Your schedule is optimized for peak productivity, with meetings scheduled around your natural energy levels. But here's the thing, even in this high-tech environment, the human element will be more important than ever. Collaboration, communication, and the ability to build strong relationships will be essential skills. Why? Because at the end of the day, technology is just a tool. It's up to us, the humans, to use it wisely and create a future that benefits everyone. So, embrace the change, stay curious, and never stop learning. The future of work is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity. As we venture further into the age of artificial intelligence, it's easy to get caught up in the fear-mongering and the what-ifs. But I'm here to tell you that the future isn't about robots taking over the world. It's about humans and machines working together to create a brighter future. The key is to adapt, to embrace lifelong learning, and to view AI not as a threat, but as a tool, an extension of our own human potential. The jobs of tomorrow will require new skills, new ways of thinking, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. So what are your thoughts on AI's impact on the workforce? Share your ideas, your hopes, and your concerns in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode of RKS Chronicles, where we'll continue to explore the frontiers of science, technology, and the human experience. Until next time, keep looking up. Thank you for watching this episode of RKS Chronicles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.